Hello friend, my name is Prathamesh Kate and today's non-technical topic, its name is plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is a plastic pollution is a significant environmental challenge, but there are various strategies and initiative emitted of overcoming or uh, melting its impact. Here are some key approach to address plastic pollution. Reducing single-use plastics. Environmental environment and businesses can implement regulation and plastics to limit or ban single use plastics. Consumer can active uh, reduce their relevant and single use plastic by using in reusable bag, bottles and containers. Recycling and circular economy, from promoting recycling program and uh, infrastructure development helps drive plastic wastage from land like land and the environment. Uh, econo- e- Economy and circle economy. Environmental designing produce for is easier recycling and incorporating cycled mote- material material into new product. uh, Innovation and aftermarket material. Research and development efforts are focused on uh, creating alternative material that are uh, biodegradable or more easier reusable that traditional plastics. Invention in a packaging designed a climb to reduce the overall environmental impacts of a plastic use. Clean up initiative. Com- Community drive cleanup initiative as well as larger scale project focus focus on removing plastic wastage from water water bodies and coastal area. Technologies such as ocean cleanup system are being developed to addressing plastic accumulation in the ocean. Education and awareness. Increasing plastic awareness about the environmental impact of plastic uh, pollution is actual circular. Education campaigning can promote reusable consumption and wastage argument wastage argument wastage management practical practice. um, Media, NGOs and school plays are role in education for people about the conception of plastic pollution and the importance of sustainable plastics. Policy and uh, policy and regulation, re- regulation. Environmental and international bodies can 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 and the in case in focus regulation to be tightly tight, tightening and production use and develop of plastics. Extended produce reusability program can hold uh, manufacturing accountable for the end of life management of their products. uh, compor- corporate corporate reposi- reposability. uh, business Businesses are adopting sustainable practices such as reducing packaging, implementing take back program, and investing in a eco friendly alternative. Corporate responsibility, including adopting environmental friendly uh, plastics through the support can support chain. Thank you.